Hi guys, ito na pong nanalo sa ating 51 to 60 kilograms. Third place goes to Letty Fernandez Tumabiene. Starting weight of 60.5 kilograms and final weight of 56.6 kilograms. Average of 6.4% and loss of 3.9 kilograms. So tingnan nyo naman si ma'am guys. Pumayat talaga siya guys. Tingnan nyo ang video niya. So, yan. From Lapu-Lapu City pala si ma'am. So, punta na naman tayo sa ating second place. Eto na po. Ang second place ay si Maricel Reyes. Starting weight of 54.8 kilograms and final weight of 50.4 kilograms. Average of 8.3%. Yung video niya guys, 15 October kasi sumali siya last. So yung last video niya, yun yung dapat na weight niya. So para fair sa lahat. So yan, si Maricel Reyes ating second place. 4.4 kilograms loss ng ating second place. And ang ating champion, first place goes to Beth Lozano de la Peña. Starting weight of 57.2 kilograms and final weight of 51.4 kilograms, 10.14% and 5.8 kilograms loss. So, ayan po, pumayat talaga si ma'am, lalo pang pumayat. Ayan, see guys, disiplina lang guys para pumayat. Okay, yan po ang ating mga nanalo. Happy holidays sa inyong lahat. Thank you, bye-bye.